What, you just did a direct replacement, right?
Yeah, we just changed the CHRA.
Sorry, what?
We changed the CHRA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to elaborate?
Oh, just the center section of the turbo.
Thank you. Not everybody would know that. Myself included. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. What is it, an acronym?
Yeah, center housing rotating assembly.
Yeah, so why didn't you just say that, babe? That I would have understood, but you just all of a sudden popping an acronym like CHRA.
So no more leaks, no more smokes, and just gotta burn all the shit out the exhaust, which it seems to have done most of it. It's no more smoking at all, so it's a matter of getting the rest of the crap out the exhaust. I had to swap the pins around on the sensor inputs to get them set up properly for the link, and then wired up the BTI gauge and got that installed. And then now I have to wire up the CAN lambda to the ECU, and then she's ready for a tune.
Wait, when did he decide to do Go Link? Wasn't this on something else?
Yeah, AMV2.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah, I told you that.
Yeah, you may have told me that, but I don't think I don't remember that. I mean, I remember you telling me, and I saw him come and pick up something that was not going to be used. Yeah, okay, so that's new info. Yeah. That's cool. Oh, I'm excited then.
So we ditched the AMV2 to go for a link.
And I guess you're going to do what? Oh, there goes the heater. So pump and...
Yeah, flex fuel.
Flex, okay, cool.
Ethanol.
Corn. All right, so she's ready to go. I know. She's ready. Okay. So yeah, next time I guess we will be back with this sucker on the dyno.
Maybe. Yeah.
Yo, why are you licking the car? Stop licking it. Seriously now, girl. Get your bike. I don't know. Say goodbye. Say till the dyno.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
Okay, today's the day we're gonna dyno the Mark IV. What do you think, Edgar? You ready? Ready to dyno the Mark IV?
Gonna make some power.
Some Paul.
I'll try to at least.
Fucking heater is on, so.
Cleaning up some shit.
What do you think it's gonna make on pump?
Pump? 5, 6, somewhere around there.
And then on ethanol, what do you think?
I'm happy to see 8.
8 it is.
It's a precision 67, 66. So it'll probably tap out somewhere around there. We'll see.
CHRA.
Yeah.
See? Learned. Learned your acronym. All right, cool. So we'll be here shortly, I guess, right?
Yeah.
In the hour.
Setting it up.
So I'm gonna start setting this gentleman up. Try to skimp me. So you just did the oil change, right?
Yeah.
How did it look?
It looked alright.
See, we got this girl on the dyno yesterday and was able to make some pretty good power. I think the ending number was like 30 something.
Yeah, just about 840 before I let out. Unfortunately, we ran into an issue. Once we started pushing high sevens and cracking over 8, it started pushing coolant. Which is indicated that the head gasket was starting to leak. So at that point, we backed it down to a point where it would be okay and he could at least get some seat time and enjoy the car for a little while. And then, later on down the road, he can dive into and pull the head and figure out why it was, pushing a little bit of coolant. I think it's on an OEM head gasket and just the standard 8740 ARP head studs. The engine is built, so the deck and the head would have been surfaced. So as to why I was pushing coolant, we're not too sure. We won't know until, we start opening things up. But at this point, may as well get some seat time, enjoy the car, and at least have some fun with it for a little while you can. And then we get back for more, as always, because they're never-ending projects. There's always something, I want to see it changed, added, or done over
More
again.
power,
So,
more power, more power.
yeah, pretty much.
And then you run into more problems, more problems, more problems.
Yeah, more power, more problems.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. Had a small coolant leak we had to button up, and did an oil change. So do a couple of data logs on the street and finalize some stuff, and I'll be here shortly to come pick the car up.
Yeah. I mean, he's pretty happy. I know that he hasn't had the car running in like 3 years or something.
In like 3 years. It made the 840 on like 32 pounds. At that point, the turbo was starting to run out of steam as well. It'd come on at 32 pounds and then fall down to about 28. We're starting to lose some on top end, and volumetric efficiency was starting to fall down. So we're definitely getting some back pressure from the turbo, which was expected, at that power level with this turbo. It's only a 67, 66. Did pretty good, and I was more than happy with what it made.
Yeah, I mean, this car sounds amazing, looks amazing. There's always things. I know they were talking about doing the suspension coming up. But as she sits, at least, you can enjoy the car, like you said, for a bit. Now, how many pounds are you going to leave it on? How many pounds for him?
Well, right now there's...
It's on ethanol, right?
Yeah. Right now there's no traction outside. It's cold as balls.
Yeah.
So even on wastegate, it just destroys the tires.
Yeah.
Which on wastegate is like 15 pounds. It did like 600.
Okay.
So I'll probably leave it on wastegate, maybe give it a little more on 20 pounds, see what it does.
You can always adjust it for him because he's on link, right?
Yeah, I could always, make any adjustments or changes for him. Once the temperature outside warms up, then we can shove some more boost down its throat. He's got a new wheel and tire package for it. So.
But yeah, the next time you see it, I'm sure it'll have some changes and.
I think it has CCWs for it, so.
Nice.
Yeah.
So a little busy today, off the chain here, right before the holiday. So, but hopefully, he has a great holiday now because his car's back. Yeah, that's the second one. We got the 300 back and the Mark IV. Cool. Happy to do it. Yeah. Merry Christmas, y'all.
Get some junk out the shop.
Oh my God! Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him.
No.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. What the fuck is that?
What?
Why is there just a hole here? Where? Where? Right here.
Probably just paint.
Drill the fucking hole there?
Shady PR guy probably has a dent right here somewhere.
There's a little dent right here. That's maybe what he's getting out. Like why? It just didn't even like attempt to plug it up or anything. Just left the hole there.